shit, man. Listen, hey. Wait. I swear, man. Don't look in. I give him a phone number, bro. I swear. I swear to God, man. I'm not fucking lying to you. The only time, man. The only one time, please. Man, I swear, man. I did only 4 times. Oh, man, please. Please, man, please. Bitch, got him up there, please. I'll get a roommate, bro. I'll get a roommate. Because there's not getting much jalopis, bro. I want my jalopis right now. What now? What speak for me, bro? Before I get music in the top, what do you? I'm telling you, boy. I don't want this. Look at you, man. This is not fair. It's not fair. They think they all wanted to talk shit. They all want to talk shit, man. They don't want nothing to do with me. They don't have nothing to do with me, man. I swear they have nothing to do with me. Oh, what do, mate? Only put my hands good down. I'm doing my accent. No, I'm doing my accent. Is it right? Is it the only 2 times? The only first time they come, they only sit here because they want to be here, boy. I don't want to be here, man. Big. I'm gonna hit you, bro. I'm gonna avoid you. You're gonna come to here more place, bro. Yeah, cause you're my bees, bro. You're my bees, yeah. What do you know, babe? What do you know, man? Just give me the damn man. Just give me the name. Oh, babe. Only 2 times I do it, I swear, man. I do a big door, bro. I swear, bro. Before we go there, we'll 100 gig back. 100 gig what now, bro? Don't take my money, yeah, listen. Take my money, it's gonna be problem, I swear. Take my money, it's gonna be problem. And so, I want you to take my money, yeah, bro. Nah, bro. I don't want to take my money, bro. You fat bob. You only bob to this. Don't only do that job, bro, I swear. I got a baby, I swear, man. Just let me baby, please, man. Please, man. I didn't have my money, bro, this week. Because my friend, man, he wanted too much, man. I told him he can't give. But he not listening, bro. I told him, man. Just give me one last chance. And for that thing, man, it's bad, dude. Fuck off. Fucking go, dog. You're a fucking go-kart, yeah. This is why, bruh. This is why, because I this motherfucker. This is why you guys don't want to fight me. Because you're 2 dog scars. Yeah, but listen. Don't get me angry, bro. Don't get me fucking angry, cuz. Don't get me fucking angry, bro. I swear I'll fucking knock you out, bro. Don't get me fucking mad, cut. Listen. I'm going to move, yeah? Your cunts gonna piss me off now. Don't fucking piss me off, yeah? I said, 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 don't fucking piss me off, yeah? And you gonna fucking piss me off? You can what face tell me, dog? Come what face tell me, cuz? You want cuz, cuz you're so fucking weak, cuz. Sit behind the little phone screen, cuz, talking shit, yeah? Yeah, cuz, you won't fucking do shit, boy. Come to my face right now, cuz I'll knock you out, boy. I'll knock you out, come to my face, dog. I swear I'll knock you out. I don't know who the fuck you are, cunt. Come to my face talking shit, yeah. I don't give a fuck, and you don't talk shit on my fucking busy. Come my face tell me, cuz. You got a problem with dog, cuz? You come my face tell me. You come my face right now tell me, cuz. I'm fucking playing this shit. I know who the fuck you are, but I swear I'll knock you all there, cunt. I'll knock this dog first, cunt, because he's fucking booster. This guy is a little chupapilate, dog. He's a fucking chupapilate, cuz. Yeah, but he's a Baptist, cuz. Yeah, fucking chupapi, man. You want the fucking chupapis? Yeah, I'll give you one name, come on, hills. Come on, hills, dog. I'll give you chupapi, bro. I swear I'll knock you out. I don't give a fuck who the fuck you are, man. I swear to God, I'll give you fucking chupapi. I swear, this fucking dog, yeah. Listen to me, I'll give you one chance. Don't give me one chance. I swear to God, I'll get chupapi. I swear, my nigga. I swear, boy. Come here right now and knock you out. I don't care who you fucking are, dog. I don't play a game loyally, guys. If you don't play like game loyally, bro, you got more hair scar stayed on my face, dog. You a fucking side guy. You're a bitch, dog. You're a bitch of the heart, the computer screen, dog. This what you want to say to my face, guy. Because you know I'm fucking right, guy. You know you're fucking wrong, dog. You want to fucking say shit to my fucking face, guy. I swear, come say to my face, dog. Come say to my fucking face, you see what I'm fucking do to you guys. Come say to my fucking face, I'm not fucking playing, dog. Come say to my fucking face, I'll knock your haircut. I don't even fucking who the fuck you are, dog. I'll knock your straight fucking haircut. Come say to my motherfucking face, dog. What the fuck you gonna do, cunt? Yeah. Come fucking do shit, cunt. Come say to my face, come say to my face, come say to my face. Come on, I'm waiting, come say to my face, come say to my face. You won't fucking do shit, dog. You won't fucking talk, cunt. Yeah, come say to my face, I swear to God, cunt. I swear you fucking say what I'm gonna do to you, dog. Come say to my face, I swear I'm gonna fucking knock you out, cunt. I swear I'm gonna knock you out. I swear I'm gonna knock you out. Oh, wallah, I knock you out. I knock you out. I swear. Listen. Don't I get this shit? Oh my God. Listen, boy, I'm not talking to you no more, guys. Cause every time I wanna talk to you, man, you want back doing shit to me. I don't wanna talk to these dog anymore. It's all fucked in the heads, guys. They're all fucked. These guys are fucked. They're all fucked, man. They're all fucked because they're whatever, man. I'm telling you, man. I didn't do nothing. I swear, man. It's all his fault, man. I swear, man. When I get my hands on this dog, man, I'm gonna fucking shake him. I swear when I get my hands on this motherfucker, boy, I'm gonna rape his ass, boy. Put his ass in prison where he ass belong, nigga. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you, boy. I'm telling you. I'm fucking telling you, come to my face and say, I'm gonna nick yours. Oh, boy, you're gonna get me, man, dog. We can see you, man. I didn't do nothing. I promise you, man. I promise. Ow. I promise. Ow. I promise. Ow. I promise. I swear, Bugadai, this motherfucker. He's a shishkalet. Shishka is a Baptist. I swear he's a Baptist. Oh my God. This is a big one, I tell you. You fucking trying to get your autograph, you don't fucking famous. What the fuck you fucking want, dog? When I keep a fucking the fuck you can't sound, don't fucking cut the motherfucking bite, dog, and shit, dog. Come say to my fucking boss, I see you, dog, and again, the fuck you are, God. You don't talk shit. That's it. You don't talk shit to me, God. I don't know who the fuck you are, dog. Hey, man, fuck it. Mas já foi, Igor. Meu Deus. Oh, peekaboo. Hey, juga. Right, first of all, I'm gonna tell you fucking shabappy lads to fuck up, yeah, and stop talking shit, dog. I'm gonna tell you shabappy lads to stop talking shit. I'm gonna tell you shabappy lads to stop talking shit, yeah? Cause it's the last time I'm gonna tell you. It's the last time I'm gonna tell you. Talking shit to my dog. There's gonna be some serious consequences. It's not only because you wanna fucking bite me, dog. They come at me right now. I swear you come to my door. Connectivité. Connectivité, das ist ein bisschen. Weißt du, eine Verpackung. So wirklich, weißt du. Yeah, I'm a two lad. I'm a two single lad. I'm a two daddy. Got a two. Yes, how many people are watching me? That's a lot of people. It's alright. It's alright, we've got Bergie. We've got Bergie, lad. It's alright. It's alright, mate. Come for you. I'm gonna say no flag. Fuck dog shit. Because they're all talking shit. They're all talking shit because they're all fucking dog shit. They're all talk shit, lads. But when it comes to me, my fucking lads, they don't really know my fucking Bergie, lads, but I swear I knocked this cunt out, I knocked this TV out, dog. You don't understand. I come here and fucking talk shit, but you wanna say shit to me? Say it in my fucking face, cunt. You won't fucking do it, boy, because you're a fucking bitch. That's one bitch ass nigga, boy. Come say it in my face, I swear I knock you out. Don't say that word, boy, I swear I knock you out. If one person can say it, you can say it too. If one person can say it, you can say it too. Boy, I mean, if the black person say it, you can say it too. It don't mean anything. It don't mean you can say it to me. So you wanna start shit, do is wanna talk shit. But guess what, bro? I swear to God, I'll get my hands on you, you're Papa Fish, Gone Buzz. What do you care? I don't care where you come from. You come from anywhere, bro. At the end of the day, if I talk shit to me, there's gonna be some real repercussions. Cause I'm not playing no dog, no fog mob. I'm the real bloke. If I get my hands on you, you're gone, dog. Very gone. I'm not gonna tell you again, don't fucking fight me! You wanna fight me? You come say in my fucking face, boy, I swear, look here, cat. What are you talking shit, dog, you? I want my fucking 100 gig white boy right now. I want my 100 gig white boy right now, babe, please, man. Listen, dog, I swear I don't do nothing to you, man, I promise you, boy, I swear. You don't understand because you're telling me 1 minute. But listen, man, I don't fucking shit, man, please! The only reason we're gonna do guys fight boys because they wanna fucking watch me! The time girls don't fucking watch me, then I'm not gonna fucking watch that you understand me! This is the last time I'm telling you what I'm going through! I swear I can't make you do! I don't care! I don't care where you come from, I don't care where my mum come from, I don't care where you come from, your dad come from, your sister come from, you have to come from, I don't care, man, I don't care! You got no good, but I don't care! I'll tell you why, you gotta listen to me very careful. In life, there will be some time to talk shit. When you talk shit, you say it to their face. You just say it to the face and you not talk shit. You just open up the camera talking on the screen. If all of you guys want to talk shit to me, you can't say it to my face, because I'm my door gun, man. Again, I swear to you, I don't care. You don't come to my door harassing me, my mum, boy. Say to make that free guy sit there in the window, but make me find out there in the window, oh God. I swear I'll give you another nose, I'll give you a password, it's a password, I swear, cuzzy. Don't piss me off, boy. Don't piss me off, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, God. You don't want to piss me off, man. I'm all fucked there already, God. I take too much epileptics, but I took my drugs, God. I took my epileptics. Or if you take the snoops, God, I swear, dog, I'm not taking. This is powder, you can get double picked up on the rock and dry low, Macala, Dirasana, Magawa. It's a new ballet, baby. Baby, I thought they didn't baby. It's only because they don't want. They don't want to take a take a matella, papaya. Papaya, 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 papaya. Papaya, 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 papaya. Entra na droga da bata. Listen, boy, I'm telling you right now, man, please, man, please, give me my hand, I promise you, please, man. Please, I'll do anything for you, please, man, please, brother, you please. I'm not gonna stop thinking my 100 kilos, I swear. I swear I'll fuck you, I swear. You can fuck for me right now, I swear to God, Dan. Do you want to start the rhythm piss me off right now, I tell you. I I'm on the mood for these games, bro. You want fucking play games? You want fucking play games, dog? Come make me fucking play with one nigga. Think to it right now. This is the only reason. This is the only reason, man. It's the only reason. It's the only reason, bro. Please, man. Just give me 100, please. Because I'm gonna get my hands on you, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna strangle you, bro. Don't let me do something stupid, bro. You know I don't want to do something stupid, bro. You make me do these things. Then I'm gonna have to call the police on you, because you know that at the end of the day, you can't hurt me. I swear, listen. And listen, I'm gonna fuck you up. I'm gonna fuck you up. You understand who the fuck I am, dog? Oh, fuck your puppy leg gun. You want your puppies? I'll give you your puppy right now. I'll give you fucking your puppy gun. Cause maybe I'll fucking burn when I'll give you your puppy. Cause the fish right now, I'll mention your puppy. I'll give you everything. Everything I'll give you. I swear I'll give you right now. You want your puppy? I'll give you your puppy. What do you want? What one? You want brown, white? You want your puppy? You want? I'll fucking give it to you. I want the fucking the puppy you fucking want. What the fuck is the puppy you fucking want, dog? Tell me right now, I'll give you all that your puppy you want. You want the one your puppy, you want the two. I'll give you everything. I'll give you one tata, two tata, three tata. Which tata you want? You want my tata, I give you your tata, I give you everyone tata, I give you each tata, I give you I tata. What tata you fucking want? You would, I swear to God, oh my God. Listen. I'm gonna tell you again, bro. I'm not boogity, I'm not fucking boogity. You tell me I'm boogity one more time, I'll slap you, though. I'll slap you like it's Beckham, I'll slap you. I'm not playing, though. I don't even think you guys come here, that's fine. Come here, that's fine, right now. I'll fucking tell you, you're gonna spend all this money to me. You can give me everything. I just put on to me. He said, more money, I went half of that shit. You know what half of that shit? You know why? Because you're all fucked. You're fucked. That's why. You're fucked. You're dumb, guys. You don't want this shit. I'll tell you one more time. This ain't gonna deal with this shit. It's only gonna be one capitano. I'm telling you, boy. I'm telling you that I get my hands up to why. It's only gonna be worse. It's only gonna be worse. It's not gonna be better. It's only gonna be worse. So give me my money right now so I can get my $100. Give me, please. There's only gonna be 2 times, I'm telling you. The first time is a warning. The next time you do that wrong thing, I slap you. I swear, the next time, the 4th time in a row, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna flip to my highlands. I'm gonna flip to my highlands to my roof, and I swear to God, I ain't gonna come down. When I come down, I swear I'm gonna hit you. I'll hit you so hard, boy. You don't know me, you don't know who the fuck I am, I swear. What the fuck, dude? Come here, right there. Come here, right there. Look at me, I swear to God, I hit you. What the fuck you think I hit you? I hit you right now. It's because he wants your puppy. I'm telling you, there's ain't gonna be no your puppy, lads. When I come get you, don't you don't talk to me. You don't know who the fuck I am, dog. Puppy. Oh, the puppy, you're gonna go to get it. I'm gonna come to my house, guys. He talks shit to me. Then there's got a piece of bread because she's not telling you. There's only gonna be 4 double dollars, there's only gonna be 1 double dollar, 2 double dollar, 3 double dollar, then I'm gonna go, there's not gonna be 1 double dollar. I'm telling you. There's gonna be no double dollar, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, there's not gonna be 1 double dollar, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, don't fuck with me. There's only one. Salut papa, hey. I'm telling you, there's only one. There's gonna be 2 someone says, I'm telling you, come to my house right now. I'm telling you, mate. There's only your puppies you want. There's only one I want your puppy, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna give you one your puppy, bro. I'm telling you, there's gonna be come here, bro. Fuck you, I went from Barker, fucking dog. You can't tie him on face, bro. I swear I'll fuck you up. Hey boy, mustache. On va reprendre Nicky là, on va reprendre Nicky. Oh, look at Granny, look at Granny, look at Granny, look at Granny. Oh, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. You wanna touch, 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 you wanna touch. Listen, dat ik op het woord beurt op de dat ik toch niet doe, dat ik toch een swearing op, dat ik toch niet doe, ik wou van eentje willen aanven. En dan moet ik het doen, maar niet zo Baby, please. Oh yeah, oh, I'm gonna get my hands on this fucking camera. Oh, swear, with my hands on this fucking camera, all the fucking wild, balle. Hala. I'm a band! That's what you want, Bogdan! There's one, I'm a one, and I'm a there! Oh my god. I'm gonna have to. Puppy! 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 Puppy!